Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best window air conditioners that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Midea U-shaped air conditioner is a highly efficient window AC unit, ideal for cooling small spaces up to 350 square feet. It utilizes innovative inverter technology to provide effective cooling while significantly reducing energy consumption. As an Energy Star certified model, it promises over 35% energy savings compared to traditional window air conditioners, making it an environmentally friendly choice. The U-shaped design of the unit is not only distinctive but also functional, as it helps block outside noise, ensuring ultra-quiet operation with noise levels as low as 32 decibels. This makes it quieter than a typical library, providing a peaceful indoor environment. One of the standout features of the Midea U-shaped AC is its smart control capabilities. The unit is Wi-Fi enabled, allowing users to control it remotely via the Midea app, compatible with both iOS and Android devices. Additionally, it supports voice commands through Alexa and Google Assistant, offering convenient hands-free operation. The powerful cooling capacity ensures that cold air can be felt up to 20 feet away, providing comfort throughout the room. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the quick snap bracket system, making it easy for anyone to set up without professional assistance. The U-shaped design also offers the flexibility of maintaining window functionality. You can open or close the window while the unit is installed, allowing for natural ventilation and preserving your view. The unit includes an anti-theft mechanism that locks the window when closed, enhancing security. Its robust installation is compatible with single-hung or double-hung windows with widths between 22 and 36 inches and a minimum height of 13.75 inches. Overall, the Midea U-shaped air conditioner is an excellent choice for those seeking a quiet, energy-efficient, and smart cooling solution for small rooms. The Windmill AC with 8,000 BTU is a modern and efficient solution for cooling small rooms up to 350 square feet. Designed with contemporary aesthetics, this unit features WhisperTech inverter technology, providing ultra-quiet operation and efficient cooling at a noise level of just 42 decibels. It is Energy Star certified, ensuring energy efficiency, and it incorporates a range of smart features, including Wi-Fi and voice control compatibility. The user-friendly Windmill app, available for iOS and Android, allows for remote operation, enabling you to control the AC from anywhere. The unit includes a remote control for added convenience. Installation is straightforward with the pre-assembled installation kit, making it easy to set up and remove. The Windmill AC is lightweight at 61 pounds, facilitating easy handling. It offers multiple fan speeds, an auto-dimming LED display for nighttime comfort, and double insulated side panels to reduce noise and improve efficiency. The washable antimicrobial mesh filter ensures cleaner air by removing dust and allergens. Additionally, the eco-friendly RR32 refrigerant used in the unit has a lower global warming potential compared to traditional refrigerants, making it an environmentally responsible choice. Overall, the Windmill window air conditioner combines sleek design with advanced technology to provide quiet, efficient, and convenient cooling for small spaces. Its thoughtful features, such as the 45-degree airflow angle from top vents, enhance comfort by directing cool air up and out rather than directly at occupants. The smart controls and easy installation make it an ideal choice for modern homes seeking a blend of performance and style. The Frigidaire window air conditioner with 8,000 BTU, ideal for cooling rooms up to 350 square feet. Its inverter technology provides both quiet and efficient cooling, ensuring a serene home environment with an operation noise level of just 41 decibels, which is 2% quieter than standard air conditioners. This makes it particularly suitable for bedrooms and living areas where low noise is essential. The inverter compressor runs at variable speeds, maintaining a consistent temperature more efficiently than traditional on and off compressors. This model is ENERGY STAR certified and has been awarded the ENERGY STAR Most Efficient accolade, indicating its superior energy efficiency. It offers up to 46% annual energy savings compared to standard air conditioners, making it an eco-friendly and cost-effective choice. The unit is Wi-Fi connected, allowing remote control via the Frigidaire app, enabling users to adjust settings, turn the unit on or off, and set schedules from their smartphones or tablets. The air conditioner also features an auto swing louver for optimal air circulation, ensuring even cooling throughout the room. With 3 different fan speeds, it delivers powerful yet smooth airflow. The easy-to-clean washable filter simplifies maintenance, and the unit includes a remote control for added convenience. Weighing 55 pounds, it is relatively easy to install and maneuver. Overall, the Frigidaire window air conditioner is a highly recommended, feature-rich, and efficient cooling solution for medium-sized rooms. The GE window air conditioner is an efficient and compact cooling solution designed specifically for small spaces, accommodating rooms up to 150 square feet. Ideal for bedrooms, dormitories, or sunrooms, this unit offers a practical blend of power and convenience. It features a cooling capacity of 5,000 BTUs, ensuring a comfortable environment even during hot summer days. The air conditioner operates with a noise level of 56 decibels, making it suitable for quiet environments like bedrooms. One of the standout features of this air conditioner is its ease of installation. The included Easy Mount window kit simplifies the setup process, allowing users to start cooling their space quickly. Additionally, the unit comes with mechanical controls that include 2 cooling speeds and 2 fan speeds, offering flexibility to match personal comfort preferences. The temperature can be easily adjusted with 10 different settings, enhancing user control over the cooling experience. The air conditioner also boasts a removable and washable filter, promoting better air quality by trapping dust and allergens. This feature not only improves indoor air quality but also extends the lifespan of the unit by maintaining its performance. Being ENERGY STAR qualified, the air conditioner adheres to stringent energy efficiency guidelines set by the Environmental Protection Agency, which helps in reducing energy consumption and lowering utility bills. Weighing 36 pounds, the air conditioner is robust yet manageable for installation and maintenance. Its low noise operation ensures minimal disruption, making it perfect for nighttime use in sleeping areas. The combination of practical features and efficient performance makes the GE window air conditioner an excellent choice for those needing reliable cooling in small rooms. The Amazon Basics window air conditioner is a compact and efficient solution for cooling small spaces up to 150 square feet. This unit boasts a 5,000 BTU cooling capacity, making it ideal for bedrooms, dorm rooms, RVs, and small offices. It fits standard windows with dimensions ranging from a minimum of 13 by 23 inches to a maximum of 13 by 36 inches and includes a window mounting kit with adjustable side panels for easy installation. Weighing just 35 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to handle. The air conditioner features mechanical controls, eliminating the need for a remote. It has 2 dials, one for adjusting the temperature and another for selecting between cooling and fan settings. With 7 temperature settings and dual cooling and fan modes, users can customize their cooling experience. The unit also includes adjustable louvers to direct airflow precisely where it is needed. An energy-efficient design ensures that the air conditioner operates economically, making it a cost-effective choice for maintaining comfort in small spaces. One of the standout features of this air conditioner is its washable and reusable air filter, which helps keep the air clean and fresh. This filter can be easily removed, washed, and reused, contributing to the unit's long-term efficiency and reducing the need for replacements. The overall design emphasizes simplicity and practicality, with an easy-to-install mounting kit that allows users to quickly set up the unit in any suitable window. In summary, the Amazon Basics window air conditioner is a straightforward budget-friendly option for those seeking an effective cooling solution for small areas.